Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Thinkific application on your Android device. Downloading Thinkific on Android is super easy. First of all, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open Google Play Store. Once you open up the Google Play Store, tap the search button at the bottom right corner. Now go to the search box at the top and type in Thinkific. Once you find the Thinkific application from Thinkific Labs, tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your Android phone. Now it'll take a while for the application to download. If you have a stable internet connection and a quicker one, you will be able to get it in a matter of minutes. Soon after the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch open your Thinkific app on your Android phone. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.